What's up guys? Back here with another video for you. So today it's a little bit different. We have a 2018 WRX. So you guys remember George, and this car belongs to his girlfriend Isabella, and she's here because she bought this brand new carbon fiber hood. So we're gonna install this on this car and see, you know, how good it looks. So Isabella, you want to just quickly walk us through what you've done to the car so far?
Yeah, sure. So I have an aftermarket grille, lit aftermarket headlights. The car's obviously wrapped. I have Workmeister's 18.9.5. I have an ETS intake, a cob access port, aftermarket side skirts. We also have Grimspeed downpipe, Borla catback. I have aftermarket taillights from Subi Speed, and there's also a sound system installed in the car.
That's cool. Bella, you want to go ahead and pop the hood for us, and then George and I will get started and install the hood. All right, so to get this done, what do we have to do? We have just 2 bolts here, right? And we have to remove the bolt for the stud, and then we have to take off the hinges, right? And then we're gonna try and get this, what do you call this?
Duct.
Yeah, get the ducting. Yeah, just so that we can port this over to the new hood. It should be a fairly easy install. Just a few bolts, and then definitely need 2 people though, because we have to carry it. All right, let's get started. So guys, the first thing we want to do is remove that little tab that's on here. And then we're gonna just take off the hinges.
These are titanium works, titanium bolts, by the way.
Wow. So guys, simple process of putting on the aftermarket hood. All we really did is just 2 bolts on each hinge. We have the hood somewhat test fitted at this point. Gap is pretty good. And guys, I know we didn't really talk much about the hood, but this was MSP, you said, right? I think the brand is MSP. So it's really just some kind of replica. What is it after? Varis? Varis. Yeah, it's super aggressive actually. Right, so next thing is we have to get some parts out of the OEM hood, which is the hood struts and then the ducting in the middle, and then we'll port that over to the new one, and then this should be good. The next step is just put the hood strut on this ball bearing, and there's a clip that goes in. It's a pain.
So yeah, it's rounded off up top, so you can kind of slide it, but they're sharp, so.
So last thing we have to do is now just take the OEM hinge. All right guys, so we're pretty much done here. We decided not to put the ducting there because I don't think we really need it. And it just overall probably a cleaner approach to this in case Bella decides to sell the hood or whatnot. It's just easier. But overall, it looks pretty good. You wanna put it down? So after everything's tightened, the fitment's pretty solid. Gapping is very minimal, especially for a replica hood. Looks good. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.